Ever wondered how to make an unforgettable first impression in just a minute? An elevator pitch might be the answer you're looking for. Picture this. You're in an elevator with a potential employer or investor. You've got 60 seconds to introduce yourself and make an impact. You start with, "Hi, I'm Jane, a digital marketing specialist with a knack for helping businesses grow their online presence." Just like that, you've set the stage with a clear, concise introduction. A compelling elevator pitch starts here. Now that you've introduced yourself, it's time to reel them in with a hook. The hook is that electrifying moment that grabs your listeners' attention and makes them want to hear more. It's like that intriguing movie trailer that leaves you on the edge of your seat, waiting for the film's release. So how do you create a compelling hook? Well, it could be a fascinating fact, a thought-provoking question, or a bold statement. For instance, imagine you're a digital marketing consultant. Your hook could be something like this. Did you know that 9 out of every 10 startups fail because they lack a robust online marketing strategy? This kind of hook not only piques curiosity, but also introduces the problem that you're about to address. It's like a drum roll that builds anticipation for the main act. A thought-provoking hook not only grabs attention, but also sets the context for what's to come. Next, we dive into the heart of the matter, the problem statement. It's the crux of your elevator pitch, the part where you identify a challenge or issue that your audience can relate to. You see, the problem statement isn't just about stating a problem. It's about connecting with your audience, making them nod in agreement, making them say, "Yes, that's exactly what I'm struggling with." Let's take an example. Say you're a digital marketing expert. Your problem statement might go something like this. In a rapidly evolving digital world, many businesses struggle to establish a strong online presence and effectively reach their target audience. This problem resonates with many businesses today, making it a relatable issue. Remember, it's crucial to articulate this problem clearly and concisely. Your audience should instantly recognize it and see themselves in it. A well-articulated problem statement resonates with your audience and paves the way for your solution. Having stated the problem, it's time to present your solution and its unique value. Now remember, the solution isn't just about what you do or provide, but how it specifically addresses the problem you've identified. It's about making a connection, showing that you've thought about the issue and have a way to resolve it. Let's consider an example. Suppose the problem is a business struggling to attract customers online. The solution? You could say, "I offer tailored digital marketing strategies that drive traffic, increase visibility, and boost sales." See how that directly tackles the issue at hand? But we don't stop at the solution. The real clincher is the value proposition. This is where you highlight the unique benefits and selling points of your solution. Why should someone choose your solution instead of the alternatives? What makes you stand out? Sticking with our example, the value proposition might be, "Unlike generic marketing strategies, my approach is personalized to your business, using data-driven techniques to target your core audience effectively." The value here lies in the tailored approach, the use of data, and the focus on the business's target audience. The key is to be concise, yet impactful. Your solution and value proposition should not only solve the problem, but also offer unique benefits that set you apart. Remember, you're not just selling a product or service. You're selling a solution and the unique value it brings. Finally, you want your audience to take the next step, a call to action. This is crucial in your elevator pitch. It's like the finale of a symphony, the destination of a journey. Picture it this way. Should you find the prospect of propelling your online marketing intriguing? I'd be thrilled to arrange a meeting, exploring strategies uniquely crafted for your business. See? A compelling call to action wraps up your elevator pitch, leaving the audience with a clear next step.